Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we are going to see how you can create custom menu like this in Google Sheet using spreadsheet. So let me refresh it because I have deleted this. So this won't show. So we will recreate it. So to create that menu, you have to click on extension, go to app script. Oh, my internet connection is not on. Okay, it's okay. So we come to in this. First, let me delete this. So we name this script menu. So let me create a function. It should be on open. So first we create, okay, give this variable UI spreadsheet app dot get UI. No, it would be UI dot create menu. So we call our menu test. You can call it anything. So we call this test and dot add item. So we need to add items in the menu. We call this we call this item 1. Okay, it's option 1. We call this option 1. Option 1. And now you have to give it you have to to click on it what function should run. So we call this set value, because we are going to set value. Okay, we call this function set value. After that, you have to click dot add to UI. You need to do this step. No, see, we got this option 1. So when I click on option 1, so see, it's showing script function not found, set value. Okay, so we will make that script first. Make that we'll use function set value spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet dot get active sheet. We put it in variable sheet. Okay, we won't call this sheet dot set. Okay, get value we call this variable sv sheet dot get value. Oh, sorry, it's not get value, it's get range. So we will do it from E1. Okay, from E2 to E10. Okay, dot set value to 1, but E2 to E10. So if I save this and run this script. And if I click on option 1, don't make this kind of mistakes. If I run this, see, it has given me value E2 to E10, so it put 1 to each column, each cell. So this is how you can use custom menu. You can create custom menu. And okay, so let me tell you, if you want to add another thing, so let's say if I want to add another function, this function set value 2, and here I'm going to call this function f2 f10, and the value would be 2. So this is our second function. So if we also want to add this, so after this you have to add separator, and then you have to add an item, and we will call this option 2. We have given name option 2, and we'll give this which function we want to run. So it's value set value 2. So let me save this. Okay, so see, we have two options, option 1 and option 2. If I choose option 2, see, it's working. So this is how you can create custom menu in Google Sheet using AppScript. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will help you.